Many pieces of content that I give you, at least 2 months of content I just gave you. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Derek, and if you're new here, thank you so much for checking us out and giving us the opportunity to hopefully help you and get your time freedom back as a realtor. I've been in real estate for over a decade now, where I help run and lead a team in 3 different states, 4 different countries, all virtual, and helping realtors free up time while not decreasing their pay. In fact, making even more money. And on this channel, we talk about things like AI tools, and content and social media. So if that is what you want to get to, you came to the right place. Otherwise, let's get into it. So I got bad news for you. If you are only focused on ranking on Google moving forward, you're going to get lost in the shuffle. You need to now focus on how to rank in AI platforms such as ChatGPT. And today we're going to talk about why that's important and how you do it. It's changing and it's already started. People are going to ChatGPT and plugging in the same prompts or same questions, and ChatGPT or other AI platforms are recommending 1 or 2 specific agents or businesses and suggesting those type of people to the consumer. If you're not ranking in that, you're going to get lost. So what do we need to do in order to change that? How AI is coming up with this information is they're going to look at a variety of different metrics. So yes, they are going to look at your reviews and your Google business profile or your Zillow reviews. They're going to see how consistent you are in real estate. They're going to look at press clippings and any press articles maybe that you have. They're going to look at other SEO things, such as what's going to be one of the biggest and most important is video content. I know we've been preaching for at least 5 or 6 years now how important video content is, but it's more important now than ever before, because AI is going to be taking a look at it and using that as a key metric to rank their realtors or real estate team. So if you're not putting out content, specifically the right content, you are going to get lost in a shuffle very, very quickly. Well, Derek, how do I know what the right content is? So I'm here. You came to the right place. And if you want all this stuff to where it's just plug and play systems, reach out to me. We are one of the fastest growing groups in the world because of the free tools, resources, and plug and play systems that we provide. Anyway, what is the correct content that you should be putting out right now? Get your pen or pencil ready. We have to start putting content together that people are actually searching for. Do you know how many real estate agents I talk to weekly that are putting out content like everything you need to know as a buyer, everything you need to know as a seller? Here's your buyer's guide. Here's your seller's guide. What home improvements do I need to make? Fine. Those are good pieces of supplemental content, but they are not ranking pieces of content. So here we go. You ready? Here's some pieces of content you can put out right now that is guaranteed to rank no matter what market you are in. So, cost of living in X market. A comparison video of what the average price point gets you in X market versus Y market. So, what $1 million gets you in San Francisco versus what $1 million gets you in Fremont. You want to make them close cities, right? Not different states. Okay, now we're going to start making top neighborhood videos, worst neighborhood videos, top city videos, worst city videos. If you're a relocation, or if you have a special niche that you that's kind of your go-to or what you're known for, you need to make content like that. So if you're a relocation expert, you need to talk about everything you need to know before moving to Los Angeles. What they don't tell you about moving to Los Angeles. The good, the bad, and ugly about moving to Los Angeles. Top 10 things to do in Los Angeles. These are the types of content pieces that rank pretty much in every market. So you're just going to substitute out the city or the neighborhood and put your local market and your local information in. Many pieces of content that I give you, at least 2 months of content I just gave you. So start making those types of videos today. Be consistent across all platforms. So again, your SEO ranks higher. If you can get in front of local press, if you start making blogs, AI can do that. I'll link an AI tool video up here that you can use. Okay, you don't know any longer have to spend hours in front of a computer writing a blog. AI can do it for you. Use being filled with SEO terms so you rank higher. Everything's automated now. It's amazing. Okay, but if you can start putting together consistent pieces of video, consistent blogs, get in front of local press, start building relationship with local press people. Maybe they'll write an article or a blog about you. That's going to help you rank on AI. One of the most important ninja tricks that you can do right now to start ranking on AI, you are going to get some schema markup code and put it into your website. And I know you're thinking like, Derek, what the hell is that? You're speaking a foreign language. You can always go to Upwork or Fiverr and get somebody to do this. All it is coding that you're going to add to your website that's going to tell AI exactly what it is that you do. So it's going to help you rank on AI a lot quicker and a lot faster and a lot more efficient, because AI knows exactly who you are, what you do, where you're located at, and what your specialty is. The easiest way to get this done is I'll put it up on screen right now. You can use a couple of free generator tools that will generate this code for you, such as Technical SEO Schema Generator or Markle Schema Builder. So you're going to paste your details into that code. You're going to paste your details into that, and it's going to spit out a code that's going to trigger AI a lot quicker than like Google or another kind of platform will. You're going to add that code to the head of your website through your WordPress or website builder plugin. If you're a real estate agent, you're going to just use real estate agent. If you're a broker, or if you have your own team, you can use code like real estate agency or local business or real estate team. Again, all it is plugging it into a generator. It's going to create that code, and you're going to put that code at the top of your website. The most important thing you're going to want to do with this code is obviously test it. So if you're not technical savvy, again, go to Upwork or Fiverr, have somebody do it. It's a quick 5 or 10 minute job. Throw them a few dollars, but make sure they test it to make sure the code works and it comes up properly. Okay, aside from creating content, building your reviews, getting those in order, being consistent across all social media platforms, creating blogs, make sure you continue to build your authority. So have LinkedIn, have Yelp, build your authority as the local expert in whatever your niche is. This is how you're going to rank on AI. That's going to do it today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you got some information out of it. All my contact information is below. If, again, you want plug and play systems, you don't have to worry about a lot of this stuff. You just partner with us and we'll help you scale in a matter of months. We have literally individuals and teams that are doing $100+ million of transactions based off just being present on social media and all the tools and systems that we provide for free. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.